What's up YouTube? So yeah, we have yet another video. So we starting off this video in the rain right here. Before I get started in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all all to like, comment, and subscribe and sub to the channel. But yeah, I mean, today gonna be an interesting video. So right here I have this Cadillac CTS-V. I don't know the year, but give me 1 second and I can let you know. All right, so it's a 2019 Cadillac CTS-V. Basically what we're going to be doing on it, we're going to be doing a supercharger lid, a 2-3 pulley with a green belt, headers, a RotoFab intake, and a flex fuel kit, as well as a wideband gauge. So I mean, see, we got the Hellcat right beside it. Basically comparing these two vehicles. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get inside this thing and go ahead and get it started up and move it over in the shop. First thing first, we went ahead and got rid of this crap out the engine bay. We don't need that. Why you need that when you're trying to go fast? You see that carbon fiber right there, that carbon weave. No supercharger sound, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you exhaust sound.
Like it's time for a filter anyway.
My boy got that array full of dirt aid. He should have been cleaning them up. Terrible maintenance. Shit.
He's finally catching up on his maintenance.
But with this hood, I mean, you can see it's carbon fiber overlay. I mean, it's a carbon fiber underlay. So this grill is part of the actual hood. And then this white piece is just overlaid onto the engine. I mean, the carbon bonnet. So you can see it here. Cotton fiber bonnet. All right, so we got the supercharger lid off. Inside the supercharger looks pretty good. This is inside of that lid. So this is basically a Gen 1 LT4 lid. It comes on the first few C7. So I think 16 and 17 or 15 and 16 came with this lid and the 06s. Then, you know, they switched over to the taller lid with the Z01s. So I'm gonna grab the other lid and show y'all basically a side-by-side comparison. All right, so you got the billet aluminum DSX tuning lid. And basically a stock Gen 1 LT4 lid. So, I mean, you can look at that and tell. I mean, you can look at it side-by-side and tell the major difference between those two lids. And this one's gonna make more power. Not only because it's billet aluminum, but I mean, you can look at the inside and see that you're going to be using every cubic inch of that lid to force air down to the supercharger. So, I mean, hey. Really, but time lapse, that should be going fast ahead. It take up so much storage. Hey, Mike, you're going to have to leave doing saying all that shit. I can't get this fucking big ass socket in there. So this is the new lid on the car. I'm gonna clean it up once I get everything else installed. I still gotta do the flex fuel kit, so take that line off. So that line. And then still gotta do the pulley. Take this bit off. And then the pulley, usually what I do with the LT4, I just cut them off. Or I'll like, cause I never bought the pulley. So I just cut the stock pulley and press the new one on. And then also gotta take this off so we can do the RotoFab. But I mean, hey, the summer gun might be fast now. All right, so we got that stock supercharger pulley off, and since I don't have a puller, I like to use that old cut method where you cut it and then you just open her up and you wiggle her off. So she slide right on there perfectly. Slide on and off perfectly. You just open her up with the flat head, tap it in there. You basically open up this piece right here. You open up that piece right there. And shoot, go to work, baby.
He said he's gonna do the other side.
No, the fuck I didn't. When I said I was gonna do the other side.
Hey, CJ,
No, the fuck I didn't. No, I didn't.
You got Ocho sauce on.
Canel said he gonna. I remember Canel said he gonna move the cooling reservoir out the way for you.
I need to see that Ocho sauce.
Yeah, he said he wanted me to do it.
You said, I guess I
No, I did not. No, I did not. No, I didn't.
I remember Canel said he gonna move it.
Hello?
D, you still recording, bro?
No. Hello?
Hey, what you got?
For that Mustang, I need a windshield wiper motor as well. It can just be just the motor. You don't have to send me the arms as well. It was covered in rain.
Okay.
Okay. You need the PO again, or you got it still?
I'm putting it on same ticket.
Okay.
You're good.
Thanks.
I got it ordered. It'll be here in the morning.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, a lot of them boats on there good.
The fattest.
The wind just blew.
He ain't the fattest, but the big.
Wow, man, look a lot.
What did he say?
Wow, man, look a lot.
He already know me. I ain't even say it this time.
I told her you gonna come in and say that. Oh, no.
Yeah, he finna
Don't do that.
he finna do it to him.
Need a swivel.
You think you gonna be able to get that with a little record wrench, man? You might need to put a wrench on the end of that some gun, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, your sidewinder got some good clutches.
Hey.
D does.
Ho,
Brand new.
ho, partner.
Whoa! Take it out.
D brand new.
Nah, use your stuff. I'll be using mine. With it.
All right, so got the driver's side header out. I got my partner over there working on the passenger side. Probably fucking some shit up, I can tell you that much. Still waiting to put the pulley back on. I'm gonna freeze this rod and then slide it on there like that. Throw the throttle body back on. Put this header on, throw the RotoFab on, and then we're not gonna run on E right now, so we're gonna wait until the new Flex Fuel Kit gets here. But other than that, shoot, it's gonna be rowdy. 93 headers, new lid, smaller pulley. Shoot, you ain't gonna tell this thing nothing. All right, so getting the exhaust ran, headers up, exhaust, and we gotta cut the mufflers right here. These Billy Boat exhaust. So yeah, we're gonna cut these mugs right there. Shoot, we do that, we better we will be able to basically bolt the exhaust up, throw the supercharger pulley on, and I guess get her started in the car. Then tune that thing. Alright, so we got the exhaust back up and ran. So we got the, basically I had to cut the axle backs there. The clamps ran. I think I'm gonna add another clamp here. It's a tight fit, but I mean I added one there. So I guess I'll add one here as well. Other than that, everything looks good. So I'm gonna get the wide band ran right here. Once he drops that off, I gotta get the O2 put here. And then, yeah, go ahead and plug it in. Really didn't even need an extension for that side, but hey. Get these zip tied up out the way. And then, yeah, I guess we'll move back up top to the supercharger. All right, so we got the, basically got everything on the vehicle except for the flex fuel kit because it was the wrong sensor lines. But we got the pulley installed, that green belt, got that RotoFab intake, got that supercharger lid, got those headers. So yeah, with the Xpipe, 3-inch piping, Xpipe, and then you got the Billy Boat exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, do a little quick startup right quick. This is without the tune. So yeah, I'm gonna do a startup here, basically hear what it sounds like, and then go from there. Go ahead. Hey, Bill. Why he did that? Damn.
Get in front of it.
Back in the thing, we're back in the thing. We're back in the thing, you know. We doing the aux pump, auxiliary fuel pump. So they got the pump here. Got the filter, got the lines that you need, got the fuel, I guess a T, whatever you want to call it. We got that put in already. So next we're gonna have to drill a hole in the tank. I'm gonna find the spot where the hole needs to be drilled because this is a V. So I mean, we'll drill either. I think it's gonna be here though. We drill the hole. And shoot, just run the electronics up. Then I gotta go back up top and find out. I gotta finish connecting the flex fuel sensor. So, I mean, that's where we are right now. We're gonna get to it. All right, so we got the pump ran. We got the power on the ground to the pump. Ran up through the fender wall, and I gotta go up top. Basically zip tie all this up to the body, so it's out the way. But I mean, it wasn't too bad. It's a clusterfuck, but hey, it's gonna do what it gotta do.
Keep going, I'll finish with my clusterfuck. Jump, bitch. Don't be showing us it.